of you guys watching. Actually, so I'm at my house right now, and we're gonna go see. I'm gonna show you guys all my animals today. So let's go. It's gonna be so fun. First thing is we got fish and turtles. So we got some goldfish. What else do we got? Ooh, turtles. Yep, there we go. So by the way, this is my house. So, and we also got some creepy stuff back there. So, yeah. Okay, next we got toads. So, we have pet toads. Yes, they move around. Oh, he just jumped. See? Yep, they're in there. Next, fish. So here's our tank. We got some fish. We actually got 70 fish in here. Almost 100. Next, we got fish in here. Well, actually, no, these are like crayfish. One's right there. Next, we got a doggy. Hey. Hi. Yep, that's a dog. And a beetle dragon. So we got so much pets, guys. Jesus. We got Homer crab, so we're gonna actually put. This is a new take, and this is the Homer crabs. Okay. Well, no, but yeah, we got a lot of stuff. And so to subscribe to this channel and like, and yeah, that we got a lot of pets. So now I'm gonna do something.